I'm just going to record it, this session. Okay, let's have the friendly chat and the part one, speaking part one. I think you will have a lot of, like today, entertainment while speaking. You try to be familiar. I know that this was the problem of the Sharwari and Chirag. Okay, Yogita,
Okay.
according to me, some sincere girl. So start. Yogita will lead today. Let me see. And here I'm watching, and I will give you a lot of suggestions. Come on, dear. Your two questions for each buddy. Come on.
Not from this list, no? Any other topic?
Yes.
Any other?
Any other topic.
Okay.
Always try to change, take a different topic. And I've given a lot of topics. Come on.
Okay. I'll ask Chirag. Hello, Chirag.
Yes, yes, yes. Audible.
Yes, Chirag. Just tell us which sports do you like most?
Sorry?
Which sports you like most?
Or
let me suggest. अगर आपको सुनाई नहीं देती, if you don't listen, Chirag, and if you don't understand, two things happen. If you don't listen clearly, and if you don't understand the questions, so you can make this French. Sorry, I didn't get you the last word. I didn't catch your last word. Or excuse me, sir, can you repeat the question once again? It doesn't matter to ask this question to the examiner, but you should not be asking again and again. Once or twice is okay. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So you should not say sorry, ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे. Excuse me, sir, be attentive. Excuse me, sir, can you repeat the questions for me once again? Okay. और दूसरी बात, जब आप नहीं समझ में आता, describe your hometown. So if you, sir, you want me to describe where I live right now or my hometown when I left long back. So he will tell, no, I would like to ask you where you were born and brought up. Understand? So this is the good way of communication. Let's begin.
Okay. So, okay. So you are asking about ports. Actually, I visited many ports in the India, like Mudra Port and Kandla Port, and I like Mudra Port, which is
sorry to interrupt. Sports. I was asking for sports.
sorry.
So
I
sorry
think you are
if I
asking about
pronounce it
ports.
wrongly. No,
Okay.
sports.
Okay, it's okay. So generally, I like to play cricket and uh, many other indoor games like table tennis, and we can say that I also like Kho. I like cricket because in this game uh, I can play easily with the help of bat and ball, and a few equipments is required. So I like to play cricket.
Like you have spoken 3 or 4 times, do you know? And a lot of pauses. Once you stay, when you speak like, second time I love, I'm fond of, I'm crazy about, I prefer, why not? That is a wide range of vocabulary. You understood? आपको जब बोलना है ना तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग, be cool, be calm.
Sir, I think it will take a time to think.
So that's why I'm just breaking the ice, dear. That's why I've given this chance to you, because this is also my responsibility, you know that. And that's why I've given the best chance to first to talk with each other. And like this, we have to be here, like explaining the topic. अब कैसे आपने जवाब दिया? It's recorded. You can really think about it. And here I'm there to watch. And अब देखो, I would like to speak less now, because if I'm interfering, minimum I'm taking maximum time while speaking. But I will leave you right now and just I watch. And if I find that I may interrupt, then I will interrupt you. But the last, like you have spoken 3 to 4 times. So what you have to do the next time, you try to change the word. That is, you always understand. Suppose people, you have to speak. Many people, less people. So people bar bar nahi bolo. Many human beings, some individuals, several. तो आप ऐसे change करो. Children बोलना है. Do you like to play with children? Yes. Toddlers. Okay. Infants, youngsters, adolescent. बहुत सारे words हैं. Continue. You understood? I will really interfere less. Right or wrong? अभी बोलना शुरू करो. चलो.
Okay.
Now who will ask?
Questions have you finished?
To
Yogita?
ask me.
Yeah, I
Next
will ask
question to
you,
Sharvari
Yogita.
or yeah.
Should
Yeah,
I
Sharvari,
ask
ask
you?
me. Yes, yes, sure.
Describe a city market in your city.
Okay. First of all, I really fond of shopping, so I would say ki I have I know many places in Mumbai where we can go for shopping. So the very famous market is in my city is the city market. Is a place located at CST, which older name was Victoria Terminal. Now it is known as CST. And there you may get a place for shopping, which is the street name is Fashion Street. So this street you can go for shopping and you may get a lot of things you really want to buy by your daily needs. If you would like to see any clothing latest fashion clothes, so you can get over there. Also you will have various kinds of footwears available on that street, and many more accessories like jewelries or something matching with your clothing. You will everything related to your shopping thing you will get over there. And after it is the street not for only the shopping, but you also get a food over there. So I would say that street, the city market street, which is known as Fashion Street, is also very nearby to the food stalls. So after shopping, you can get a various kind of foods over there also. So city market is really famous for shopping also and for food also. That's it. Next question.
My turn.
Yes. You can ask Sharvari, no?
Yes, yes.
Sharvari asked
So
me,
my
so you
question
can
is that, Sarvari, do you like education system? Do you like it?
Well,
Yes.
Achha, one more. Let me interfere. Look, you must know some of the topics. Topics about the music, teaching, work, study, hometown, free time, understand book, reading books. So these are the topics that is real. Can you start? Let's talk about. आप एक topic लेके छोड़ो. Let's talk about the music. How often do you like to listen to music? अब आप भी sentence बनाना सीखो so that you can understand such kind of the question I have to answer when examiner will be in front of me. Okay, if you see internet, there are a lot of topics. So 20 topics, and I have given some of the topics. So एक topic start करो. Only describe your hometown name. Let's talk about hometown. से start करो and start कि how often do you visit to your hometown? ठीक है, तो एक sentence आप एक introduce करो, दो सवाल आपको पूछने हैं. You have to ask 2 questions. Yeah, come on.
well, should I speak the question which has been asked by Chirag?
Yes, go.
Is education important? Well, I'm living in India, and India is, it is the country's. Sir, actually, sorry to tell you, but I have many thoughts in my mind, but I can't elaborate that things, that how to start the thing, what to speak.
देखो, सबसे पहले आपको मैं बता दूं कि whenever we start something, we have to start with a topic sentence. Education. तो आप क्यों एक tagline बोलो? Education is the essential part and integral part of anybody's life. ये पहला sentence कोई बोलेगा. How important education? बोला ना? Important, of course. Education play a vital role for the development of a human being. Without education, a person is just like an animal. Education teaches us how to. अब समझ में आया? ये thoughts तुरंत आने चाहिए. इसलिए तो मैंने आपको time दिया है. इसलिए मैं am just controlling. again I'm saying I will speak to मैं when I speak now I have lot of thoughts. तो मेरा बोलना अभी मैं चाहूंगा आप लोग बोलो, गलत या सही? आज टाइमिंग बाउंडेशन कम लो, बट ट्राई टू कम अप, आप खुल जाओ आज, है ना? तो कैसे मैंने आपने बोला कि सर मैं मेरे पास थॉट ज्यादा है लेकिन बोल नहीं पाते, तो ट्राई करो, यही तो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव गिवन द मौका, द चांस, अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्पीक। डियर स्टार्ट करो, चलो।
Yes, education is very mandatory, because if education will be not there, then a person will be very illiterate, so it is not good. And in India, I guess education is important, but I think in India education has been going as a bookish education and not as practical education, rather than other country focus on
wait. सवाल क्या था चिराग आपका?
मेरा सवाल ये था, डू यू लाइक इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम?
ठीक है,
अच्छा,
तो इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम का आप सवाल सोचिए, उसके बाद से आपको पसंद है या नहीं पहले बताएं। Yeah, of course I like it, because many of our scientists are working in one of the prestigious institutions around the world, that is NASA, that is why. अब आप इधर आप no, I don't think so, because Indian education system is one of the very lengthier and very inferior quality. ये आपको तय करना कि आपको हाँ में अच्छा जवाब देना है कि ना में जवाब देना है। जब ना में जवाब देंगे तो एविडेंस दीजिए, ओके? अगर हाँ में जवाब देना है तो भी एविडेंस दीजिए। फॉर एग्जांपल, समझ में आ गया ना? यही में, चलो मैं कम बोलूंगा, कम ऑन, राइट?
what was the question, Chirag? Can you repeat?
डू यू लाइक इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम?
No, I don't like Indian education system, because Indian education system is all about book, not about the practical thing which are going out. For example, if as I am a teacher, so I can see that in pre-primary school, students have been given more burdenization, more things and more homeworks and all that are been given. In other country, compared to other country, I've seen that Indian education is very lengthy, so I can see that students are having only bookish knowledge. Indian students are having only bookish knowledge, and in other countries students are having practical knowledge also. So I don't think so that Indian education is that far good than other country.
Good. Next. Who is the next speaker? Ask. Who is the next one?
Yogita.
हाँ, योगिता। योगिता।
I asked Chirag, no, and Chirag.
योगिता,
Chirag is the left. Chirag
हाँ,
is the left.
Chirag
You
is
have
left.
to ask Chirag. You have
So
to ask
what
Chirag.
I'm saying, देखो, one
Okay.
more thing. After 2 minutes, after 4 minutes, this will be away. Again, I will give you. Okay, again, I will give you that link. Don't worry. कैसे again? So we have to again spend 30 to 40 minutes extra today. So be ready for that. Suddenly, if it goes off, so don't worry. I'll send right now. But you remember the order. First Yogita, second Sharvari, third Chirag, while asking the questions. Okay? And everybody will have.
Sir,
tell me.
sir, do you have such type of question list?
I have given right now in the chat box some of the questions.
But that is related to only family and education
Family only. Education
lot of-
only,
and
sir.
work.
A lot of
Oh.
questions that I have given. You can see like music, games, going out, your country. Can I share? Wait, अब देखो मैं I'm just going to share my screen. Can you see
No, sir.
my screen?
No, sir.
Yes, visible.
Now
Yes,
it is
now,
visible.
yes.
Yes.
See, a lot of questions are there. Like suppose, let's talk about sports. So do you like sports? I like them a lot because they provide a physical activities and mental strength. Then again, do you enjoy watching sports? Of course, yes. My favorite channel is something. आपको ये सारी सवाल हर किसी पे अब कंट्रोल करना सीखना है। अंडरस्टैंड? मैं अभी ऐसा करता हूँ, इसको आपकी ईमेल पे भेजता हूँ। Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
अभी when I finish now, when I give it, I'll send you email. And अभी आपको आज मेरे सामने you have to अब आप कंट्रोल करना 2 मिनट्स
Sir,
बोलो.
sir, can you refer this question and we will do debate on this question on Saturday.
Why not? Why not? Today, well, no problem. After finishing this, I will give you these all questions to you. So be prepared, no problem. चलो एक सेशन में और ले लूंगा, लेकिन याद रखो अब टाइम कंट्रोल करना सीखोगे. How? Once Yogita will lead asking questions, she will spend minimum 2 minutes. और एक ही सवाल नहीं. Let's talk about shopping. Do you enjoy shopping? 2 and 3 lines. अगर योगिता को लगता है कि she is exceeding, stop it. Wait. It's okay. How do you feel about shopping? Change करोगे. आप घड़ी याद रखना, आप सब अपने सामने टाइमर रखोगे, क्योंकि देखो कंट्रोल अब मैं यहाँ से कर रहा हूँ. जब आप खुद कंट्रोल करना सीख जाओगे ना तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. तो अगर मैं भी ऐसे बोलूंगी ना वहां पे तो लोग मुझे स्टॉप करेंगे और मैं ज्यादा बोल रही हूँ. सवाल जवाब ये आपका बेस्ट सेशन है मुझे लगता है. चिराग एंड शर्वरी एंड you all will like it. So today I am going to give you this. अब देखो इतने सारे questions lists मेरे पास हैं. I was speaking lot of questions, more than 100 with a different issue, family, work, education, study. Okay. So shall I
Yes,
email
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी इसके बाद स्टॉप करूंगा, फिर हम सैटरडे को मिलते हैं. टेल मी.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine, sir.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
So we'll see on Saturday. But be ready for these questions. 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Everybody. Maybe Saturday को नम्रता ज्वाइन करेगी and Subhu. Two people more. So everybody I will give you. अगर आप लोगों ने अच्छा से कंट्रोल किया, everybody will have equal time. याद रखना टाइमिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट. 2 मिनट्स उसी में आपको इम्पोर्टेंट, आपको एक से सवाल पूछना ताकि सबको बराबर टाइम दे सके. और आप उसी में आप अपना बोलना भी सीख सकते. Am I right?
Yes.